So guys, my kids came out from the village and they ate Abacha. You know, in the village, every party they do, there must be Abacha. And they've never eaten Abacha before. And when we got to the party, they were presenting them with Abacha and they were eating. So they came back and said, Mommy, please, oh, there's one thing that we ate in the village. Can you prepare that for us, which is our local Abacha? So guys, today I'm here to teach this one, Chef Charles, how to make the Abacha. So on the table, we have everything for our Abacha. So the first thing we are going to do is to pour some warm water in the Abacha. Abacha is cassava flakes, dried one, but you don't have to use it like this. We have to add in some water, not boiling water. Just add the water and allow it to soften a bit.
Are you going to add like salt or something?
No, we don't need salt. We don't cook this food. We don't just cook. Everything is just raw. Local salad is just raw, and raw. So just soak it. Don't soak it for too long so that it doesn't get so soggy. This is potash. It's locally called akame. In English, what they call it potash. So we are going to add some of this inside this water and let it dissolve.
So don't put the water inside this.
No. And when the water dissolves, they call it milungwo. When it dissolves, they now call it milungwo. That's what they now call it. This is what they use for the sauce. Yeah. So now I'll let this one sit. Let it sit like this. So we are going to be using pepper. So I'll slice the pepper now. But if you know you cannot tolerate heat, well, don't add as much as I'll be adding here.
If you can survive in any part here in Nigeria, you can tolerate this heat.
Are you sure? This pepper is a pepper. It's very, very hot too.
And comment on our channel.
So I'm done slicing the pepper now. This is our local uba. This is uba. This is uba. This is Calabar nutmeg, but this is what I'll be using, but I've already blended it, so this is the blended one. So look at how it is. It only has some, is this scale I'll call it now, but I've moved the scale. So this is what I'm going to be using. So guys, I just left the Abacha for like 2 minutes, so I don't want it to get so soggy. So I've drained the water and that is that. So let us start now. So in the pot, I'll add in some palm oil. Like I said, you don't cook Abacha or you don't cook it. Oh shit, I've poured all the oil in my body.
Are you going to use, are you supposed to use plenty oil for it? Or?
You have to use enough oil now. No, we are not making much now. This oil should be enough for it. You understand? Okay. So this is the water, the mirungo. This is it. So you just pour some of them and be careful because at the bottom you have some particles there already. Yeah, that's what you have there. So you add it like this and you keep on stirring until it becomes soggy. It won't be like palm oil again. You can see it's changing. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
It's changing. It's changing. So just keep on stirring. These flies, they want to eat their own. You know Abacha is local food and they want to eat theirs. I don't know how they got the aroma of this and they're all over me here. So this is what we have now. So adding some Cameroon dry pepper. This is our eruru, the Calabar nutmeg blended. We add it. You add in some crayfish. Keep stirring and stirring. Then we have ogirisi. You have to add some ogirisi.
What's that?
Ogirisi is a spice that we use to cook local foods. Fermented and locust bean. So you just allow it to go round. Don't allow it to be in just one place. So you have to stir very well. So I have some pomo here. It's optional. Cooked and seasoned. Then I'll add in some onions, chopped onions. Then our fresh pepper will go. Fresh pepper will go in. Then I'll get in my seasoning cube. Then I'll add in just little salt.
Salt taste.
Little salt. Now it is time for me to add the upaka, thoroughly washed. You see those people selling on the streets now, they'll prepare it, put in their head, and they now carry it around to sell. It's an Igbo delicacy. As an Anambra boy now, this is an Igbo delicacy. So keep stirring and stirring. Let me just clear some of all this. Very, very good. And the pepper in it is so good. Let me just add some more crayfish. And I'll pour in the abacha. And then you stir very well for all the strands to take in this juice. Wow! The aroma in my kitchen is amazing. Our abacha is ready. I know that you love abacha very well now. So guys, you can see that our abacha is ready. So I'll just take in some of the utazi leaves and slice in some. Utazi leaf is bitter, so when you are putting it, put it sparingly. Well, you can, but utazi is the main leaf for this. So add it. The first day I used utazi, I didn't know it was bitter. That guy poured my pot of soup. I think it was open inside I made that day. The soup got spoiled. I had to pour it away. So guys, abacha is ready, and let me serve. I already have my fried fish because this goes with fried fish. I have my fried fish. So let me clear the table now and I'll serve our abacha. I know in Igbo land, abacha goes with pami, and I have a glass of pami. Then you get some raw garden egg. Then of course, your Titus fried fish. So guys, abacha is ready.